Okay, welcome back to Chappy Down Under and another unboxing. This one's come all the way from the United States, so let's dig on in and see what we have. Okay, so it's nicely packed. Very well packed. Bubble wrap is the safe way to go. Hopefully that'll do it. I'll just bring the camera down. Should be able to get into it. Here we go, it's a Gillette Traveller. Looks in quite good condition. Let's open her up. There we have it, let's turn her around. The edge along here is nice, still in good condition. Okay, let's have a look at the blade. Sounds empty. So these either held soap, one usually held a soap and the other usually held a small brush, and this one would have been the soap holder. And this one would have had the brush. Unfortunately, there's no brush in it. And here we have the razor. So I believe there was a small crack. Might be there. Hard to tell. Oh, there it is. It's just in there. But that's only very small. Let's open it up. It's interesting, no serial number, made in the USA, Gillette. No, interesting. Usually there's a serial number. Not to worry. Let's have a look inside the case itself. Velvet's still in good condition. Okay, let's just pack it all away. I've been waiting to get hold of one of these in good condition. It's taken me a long time, but finally. Great, there you go. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you sometime soon. Ciao for now.